All right, guys, we have got the Outus 10-piece large silicone rubber band set. These are 7-inch elastic silicone rubber bands. Great for being able to wrap around Tupperware, dishes, if you're carrying them in the car or something like that, or even notebooks. Really great. You have tons of colors. We got green, yellow, black, blue, teal, red, pink, gray, purple, orange. I'm just surprised I still know colors that well. This is the rainbow. For those of you against the rainbow, I don't know what to tell you, dude, because, well, I guess you could get the black ones, which are probably the color of your soul. But anyways, these rubber bands are really nice. I really love the flexibility. They're great for, like, you can even see, I could just show you at the box right here. For notebooks and stuff like that, they easily just kind of hold things in place. Maybe you're putting a notebook, maybe like an iPad and other stuff, like kind of like all together, maybe even your computer. I mean, we can fit it around the computer. So it's great, pretty versatile, great for dishes, notebooks, all that kind of stuff. I love that you get 10 of these. They're all really nice, a lot of different colors. You can also do it in black, like straight black, or you can do in black, gray, and white. So highly recommend.